In this video, we are going to quickly cover 3 steps to naturally treating a strep throat infection. Step number 1 is going to be very important for reducing pain, and this is going to be gargling with warm salt water anywhere from 6 to 8 times a day. And the research shows that the reason this works is because salt water creates an osmotic effect that can help reduce the swelling and inflammation that is causing the sore throat pain. And the research also shows that this can help to reduce mucus and phlegm buildup as well. Now, step 2 is going to be supplementing with vitamins and minerals that are needed for proper immune system function. This will include things like vitamin D, which research has shown that people who are deficient in vitamin D are at a higher risk of developing more severe and more frequent strep throat infections. Also, vitamin D has shown to be able to help reduce inflammation. Now, another important vitamin for our immune system is going to be vitamin A, which is needed for the production of B cells or B lymphocyte antibodies, which are used to attack invading bacteria and viruses from within our body. Another one is going to be zinc, and this is used by our thymus gland to aid in T cell or T lymphocyte antibody production. And like with the B lymphocyte antibodies that we just mentioned, these are also extremely important for fighting infection. And zinc will also aid in helping many other functions pertaining to our immune system as well. Now, some other important supplements to take will be vitamin C in a non-synthetic form. Last but not least, magnesium glycinate will be another good one to take. Now, step 3 is going to be diet. Many people, including myself, have found that eating cold things like popsicles and freezies can really help to numb the sore throat pain that is associated with strep throat. However, the more sugar you ingest, the more inflammation that you are going to have. And with that being said, ice water and ice cubes are going to be your best option. However, if you need something tasty, frozen fruit or homemade popsicles with very dilute juice and water will be a much better option than store-bought freezies, popsicles, and ice cream, which will all be loaded with sugars that can cause inflammatory pain and delayed healing. And the same thing is going to apply to any food that we eat. Any carbohydrates that we eat are going to break down into sugars that will aid in inflammatory pain. So with that being said, intermittent fasting and adhering to a low-carb diet while fighting a strep throat infection will likely be the most beneficial way that we can beat this infection in the quickest amount of time possible. As always, if you guys have found this information useful, please help me out by giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel.